So for today's vlog, I'm going to share with you how my tiny studio looks like and how I work using the green screen. So hang in there because we have two options.
Hi! Welcome to my channel. This is Omavangie. I'm a Pinay mama and Oma to my Filipino and Dutch grandkids. I'm currently working for my favorite boss, myself. My mantra in life is to take care of myself and my health so I can take care of my family. I like fitness dancing. That's why I became a Zumba instructor in 2014. So in this channel, you can expect some life and business advice from me and my business colleagues, some free choreographies from me and my Zumba besties. So if you are in for some fun and some adventure, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe.
So for today's vlog, I'm going to share with you how my tiny studio looks like and how I work using the green screen. So hang in there because we have two options. And I'm going to show you my experience, hopefully will guide you or give you some sort of a comparison when you are preparing or thinking of setting up your own green screen.
So guys, I was not kidding when I said it's tiny. On the description below, we will give you, or I'm going to write down the exact measurement of this area. So this is how it looks like when you enter. We open the door, obviously. See, this is the first thing that you will see. Yes, and here on the left, I have a wallpaper. That's a wallpaper. That's from one of the islands from the Philippines, if I'm not mistaken. I just ordered it online and we pasted it on the wall. I have a ring lamp for when I give live stream classes. This is a LED lamp. And as you can see, I have there a green screen. This is a curtain actually, and I made it. I will show you later on the details. And so here's where I sit when I'm tired or waiting for the students to show up. These are just two small tables that we got from IKEA, a disco lamp that I used last week, a laptop of course, yes, doesn't stay there all the time. And I have the TV there so that I can have a bigger view. I mirror that when I give classes using Zine Studio. So that is the left side of the tiny studio. And that is another kind of green screen. And I'll show you later how that works and how I use it. Here on the right side, when you enter, this is the right, yes. That's plain white. Sometimes I use it too when I do recording and I want just a plain background. I have two of those mirrors. They are from the old cabinets. I didn't want to throw it away. I want to make use of everything. Yeah, that's just me. I keep everything. And also there is a cloth that I ordered and made myself. I turned it into this so that when I need a bigger green screen, then I can just extend it. Yeah? Alright? And that's the door. I'm going to show you all together. Okay, that's it. Okay, are you ready? Let's begin the demo. I need this. Okay, so be careful. So
a roll out paper green screen. Do it slowly. Uh-oh. Okay, now, so if you notice, there is a piece of thin wood. So it is easier to pull down, and it's also handy when you keep it back or roll it back. So sometimes I want to make a video or do something creative where I step on it. Yes, it is an option, but normally when I dance, I don't dance on it. Safety first, guys, safety. Yeah. Okay, be careful because it might get crumpled and you will see this on video. Then it's difficult to edit. Yeah? Okay. So let's say what I need now is just a small piece of green area where I dance. Later on this video, I'm going to show you a sample of how I made use of a video using Zoom where I stepped on a green screen, the green part of this. Yes, this is not so tiny, really. So even if you do, see that? It's good enough. Or, yeah, good. Wait, hold on. I'll show you now that the floor is also green. Yeah, you can even extend it depending on the virtual background that you will use, by the way. So, on another video that I made and I posted a while ago, where it looks like I was dancing in a really big room or garage with white background or some sort of a tiles, I think, or bricks, white bricks. I will put it here on screen too, so you can recall which one was that. This is how I made it. Like what I said earlier, this is just a curtain material that I ordered also online, and I made the hooks myself. So you just have to make sure that there's no gap. That's why I always use a double-sided tape to make sure that everything is pasted all together and you cannot see a gap. Yeah? So here, that's why that part is loose. I have to cover everything. Yeah. So that's it. Yeah? Now it's all green and it's easier to edit later on. Or when you are using Zoom, when you do live streaming, you can immediately use the virtual background of your choice. What else is important to say? Yes, be careful here. Well, like what I said, my background is not white. That's why I use green cloth on the side to create this white illusion. Yeah, but if you have a space in your house wherein you can have maybe 5 meters, you don't need to create something like this, because now it looks like a box. Yeah. So that's how it looks like this time.
Yeah, and a hook. Okay, that's the exhaust fan. You get sweaty when you teach, you know. Okay, so I hope it is clear. This is how I made mine, and it was easy. Maybe you can use a different kind of hook or curtain rod, but for me this was the simplest. The paper rollout green screen. Yes, as you can see, this is how my husband installed this. So we ordered this specific size, and then he got a rod in between and then installed it here. So it really works easy, and you can just roll it back, up and down, depending on when and how you use it. This is how it looks like.
So that's all that I can share for now, guys, about the green screen, how to set it up, how to use the lights, the setup and things. I hope I was able to share some knowledge and that you can do it yourself. It's not that complicated. Let's keep it simple. And before I forget, never ever 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 wear something green when you are using a green screen, and you will know why. Yes, so editing tutorial will be on the next vlog, and I hope that you write me a comment, and subscribe to this channel, and let's have some fun. We dance, we share, and we laugh, and we share positivity. Bye for now. Now I'm going to start my Zoom class. Bye bye.